Hi guys, I want to share with you my proofs of our genuine relationship and proofs of our ongoing relationship that I made for my K1 visa interview. So let's get started. So first, our proofs of our genuine relationship. So I just clip all the papers and just put sticky notes so it will be easy to access. So I put pictures together, airline tickets, boarding passes, passport sticker, hotel bookings, receipts, restaurant, coffee shop receipts, Facebook posts, family members' Facebook comments and conversations, wedding plans, Valentine's birthday cards, gift pictures receipt, letter of intent to marry, church wedding bookings, receipts, wedding gown pictures receipt. So guys, it's up to you if how much will you put here. It's up to you. For me, I put a lot of proofs, so I don't have any lots of questions when I have my interview. So first part is the boarding pass. We met in Hong Kong, so this is our, and then that is the visa sticker, and then our hotel booking receipts. This all are our receipts in coffee shops, restaurants, receipts. So you just have to photocopy all. And then next is our Facebook post. So I get some posts there in my Facebook. This is when we posted our in relationship and our engagement. Our Facebook post for the engagement. This after we met, and then I also put Facebook comments from him and his family, and then this is the conversation of me and his sister. It's just really up to you, but I advise that you have to put some. And then this is the conversation of him and my sister. This is the video call of his parents, me and his parents, and his son, and our cat. And then this is the receipt for our church booking, because before the interview we already booked for our church wedding, so we had this, but it's still okay if you don't have. So this is our wedding guest, and then this is my wedding gown. I just bought it online for so cheap. And our sample wedding invitation, but this is not the final invitation. I just made a sample. And then this is our letter of intent to marry, and our wedding plans conversation. And then I also put our gifts, and also the receipts of the mailing. And then the cards. So that's all. And then let's go to our proof of our ongoing relationship. So it's just chat logs, call logs, and video call screenshots. So the same, I just clip all the papers and then put some sticky notes I'm sorry, you have to put the chat and call logs from the start of your relationship until present, or like before your interview. So I put our Badoo profiles, our first Badoo chats. Also, this is the letter that we made because the Badoo, our first conversation in Badoo is not like, I didn't screenshot everything, so it's already deleted. So we just write an explanation. So this is just the only 2 screenshots that I had. So I was like scared because maybe they will like question me. So this is our first chat. So what I did is like, I just select 3 to 4 screenshots every month. Just that. And I just print like that. And then these are the call logs from the start and present. For the call logs, I really screenshot everything. And then our video calls, I also put a lot. Yeah. So that's it.